How's it going? Happy New Year. Welcome to the channel. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, tell me what you think about this spin on this recipe. Now today we're going to be making a 7-Up cake. So I got 7-Up, but I'm putting a ginger spin on it.
Keep it going, don't stop. That's a hustler for ya. Be an amateur. Keep your skills up soda. She don't need a lick from you. She don't do what she must do. At her work or at her school, her success don't stop when you know. When you talk real ladies, early in the morning, take a jog now, baby. Get your dog, hit the box, see the stars now, baby. Hot tub, help clear exhaust, my baby. Never problem be who you are now, lady. Best friend, ready, take the car out, lady. So the size doesn't matter how far now, baby. No static, no panic, just relax with me, romantic. Make a plan, just gotta have it. It's only yours, go grab it. Ain't no static, ain't no panic, just relax with me, romantic. Make up and just gotta have it. It's already yours, go grab it, baby. Sometimes need a break, that's cool. But get back to work or get back to school. Never give up on your dreams. You can accomplish anything like love. Never give up, baby.
It doesn't matter if you did it alone or got help to do it. And not enough of your goal list was accomplished. The bad happens in our yesterdays, so the good can happen in our tomorrows. So stay optimistic, to be open to turn those mistakes into lessons, cause every lesson's a blessing, yo.
Blake Fool.
Innocent incantation, number 94. Yeah.
Baby, you can hurt me, I'll be another soldier. I'm so down, I won't bow, I'll smile like a soldier. You can hurt me, desert me, so I'll be another soldier. I'm so down, I won't frown, still I'll smile like a soldier. Saying that you'll be my best friend, to desert me, I'll give in. Never once told me your feelings, to desert me was the difference. Though I stay true, then you hurt me. All that I give isn't working. Sticking on.
I eat the peels off of all fruits and vegetables, especially citrus one. Grapefruit, lime, oranges, high in vitamin C. Not as high as a mango or a papaya or something like that, which you wouldn't think, but it's very beneficial to eat the entire thing. So all I'm gonna do is just remove the seeds, and I'm gonna put the whole slices inside the cake. That's how I eat it. You can peel it or do whatever, or maybe I just created the zest and the juices. Maybe that's enough for you, because it already tastes like lemon and lime. It's already there. But I'm gonna add a little extra, because that's how I like to do it, that little vitamin C boost.
So
Now I'll put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, check it and see if you need more. You know how you do the test where you stab it down and see if it's dry when you pull it out. I usually use the back of a spoon. We'll continue the video once the cake is done. Now what I'm going to do is take ginger beer, put it in a pan, saute it with some limes and lemons fresh cut, and then take half of my icing, put that inside of it to kind of create a ginger lemon glaze.
Blake food. Blake food.
Hey, alright, so I let the cake sit in the refrigerator overnight so the glaze can kind of set in, and I poured some more glaze on it this morning. Now I'm going to cut into the cake. It's not like your traditional cake with all the ice and all that stuff. It's making more like a bun cake and they pour the glaze over it, something like that. That's what I was trying to simulate. So what I did was I mixed the ginger beer with the lemon icing with a little powdered sugar, and I stirred it until it came to syrup, poured it over the cake, put it in the refrigerator, and it started to crystallize at the temperature of the cake, and the icing dropped back down. And now we have this. I'm going to cut a slice, and you're going to see what it tastes like. I know it's going to be very delicious. Let's get into this. Like pouring it icing into the cake. That was moist, soft, moist and wet, and it soaked it all up. Tastes like one of those lemon bars, like a huge lemon bar cake. That's what it tastes like. It's so soft now, all through the level of the whole cake, both layers of the cake. It's soaked and soaked up all of the lemon and ginger icing mix that I created. But it's delicious. That's really good. Now, remember to leave a comment. Tell me what you want me to cook next time. I got my jacket on because I'm finna go to the store. I'm gonna pick up a couple groceries. I got some more stuff that I want to cook. You should just see how like everybody reacts, like staring and whispering. It's ridiculous. But leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you the next time.